Hey, this is Erica with WTI, and if you're looking for your new favorite bag, look no further than the Everywhere Belt Bag from PANDER. I really love the look of this bag. It's very lightweight and compact, and it is so cute. It goes with everything. I really like to use this bag for traveling. I can wear it as a fanny pack, or I can wear it over my shoulders, messenger bag style, but I can still keep everything in front of me. It opens up really nice and wide. It has 3 mesh pockets inside, as well as an extra zippered pocket on the outside where I can store things like my passport. What I really appreciate about this belt bag is how adjustable the belt strap is. I was able to adjust it to my size comfortably. So if you're looking for a really nice looking, lightweight bag that you can take everywhere and use every day, then you're going to want to check out the Everywhere Belt Bag from PANDER. And that's my point of view.